My name's Anzi. Now I can't keep quiet. And I will never keep quiet for nonsense. CIC, Julius Malema, it's wrong. It can't be correct. On a national TV, my brother. And getting a support, some President Boko there in Botswana, I saw President Boko talking about that, you guys are making a joke out of disadvantaged South African children. That they do not have skills. Wara, 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 wara. They do not have skills to do those jobs that are being done by the foreign nationals. As a CIC, what are you doing to close that gap? It's a simple question. As you can see, the youth does not have those skills. It's not because they want. We're coming from disadvantaged families. Our background is not the same. At least wena Malema, wena at least you have a political wisdom. You had that opportunity. You are so fortunate to grow up in the political party. You don't know how to stand there by the gate at the factory with the CV looking for a job. You don't know that. Buzatina will tell you. And you're making a joke out of that. Let me tell you, my brother, in South Africa, the government has tried. You, as the political leader, the only thing that you need to do is to enforce that. We have one. Don't talk about that. South Africans do not have skills to do certain jobs. You are stupid. You are stupid with your fellow brother, President Boko, there in Botswana. I want to show you that you are stupid. You're not going to make joke out of us. Past that. You're not going to do that. Number one, let me tell you, you as the CIC, you know that in South Africa, we are having what you call learnerships. What is a learnership? What is the purpose of the learnership? The purpose of the learnership is to assist the youth, the people of South Africa, those who do not have the skills for scarcity jobs, to close that gap. That is the purpose of the learnership. Number one. Number two, my brother, we are having what we call RPL. What is RPL? What is the purpose of RPL? Recognition for prior learning. Do you know that? It's not that you don't know that. You know that. What is the purpose for that? After the RPL, we have what we call QCTO. What is the purpose of QCTO? Because QCTO, it is responsible for what? To make sure that is to make sure that those who have been trained in the workplace, they are in line. Their training is in line with the trades and qualifications, right? That they have been trained for. You understand? QCTO is advanced in a way that they have NQF level 1 to NQF level 8. Simple thing that you need to do, you as the smart CIC of a political organization, EFF, is to enforce that. It's only to enforce that in South Africa, the youth, they get that. My brother, it can be correct to make a joke out of us. I'm not going to stand here and listen to you talking nonsense in the at the national TV. I'm not going to do that. You guys can make this video viral. I don't care. It can be correct, Juju, to do that. You can't make joke out of your fellow South Africans and say, no, the foreigners, they have a right to come and work here. Where should we work? Where should our youth work? Already, we have high unemployment rate. Instead of assisting this disadvantaged youth, South Africans, to acquire skills to be able to get jobs, you are making a joke out of them. Past that. Eh? You are making, as a father, as someone who has a political wisdom, you are making a joke out of South Africans with a support from the stupid president there in Botswana, Boko. Let me tell you, my brother, it can be correct that foreigners, even when they come here in our country, look at the jobs that they are occupying. Are there scarcity? You can see we have principals in TVET colleges. Is that a scarcity job? Let us audit the security companies here and tell me how many foreigners you're going to pick them. Let us audit the cleaning companies here and tell me how many foreigners you're going to get there. Let us audit the restaurants and tell me how many foreigners you're going to get there. Is it a scarcity? That's nonsense. There should be a system in place if there is any job for the foreigners to come and apply for. It should be advertised. And when they enter the airport and the borders, right? When they enter the key points, they must produce documentation, invitation to attend the interview. Right, number one. Number two, the paperwork must be in place. Work permit, passport, all those visa, all those things, they must be audited. The company that is recruiting must be contacted to confirm if they are waiting for this particular person. And that company must be checked as well, must be verified if it's existing. Is it making a profit? Is it legit? No, my brother, it's wrong. Good people, it's wrong. You see, my brother, these are the things I hate about you, that you are a dictator. You are a leader. No, you want us to follow you. That is why I left EFF. I left EFF because of that nonsense. I was a candidate 2021. I attended the conference there. Nabotlengiwe Mkhalipe, Nabotambo there. I was there. But I said to them, all of them, I said, you people, it can't be correct that you can't be corrected in other things that you are doing. It can't be. Malema, it's impossible. If you are a leader by us. Even the king is the king by the people. You are the king by the people. You are the leader by the people. My brother, learn to put South Africans first. You think these people are crazy. The majority is going there. Why not you are going there?
Siyakubongelela mbukeli, nangu ubhuti edlulisa umyalezo wakhe ngokungagculiseki kuJulius Malema ukuthi uhlekisa ngabantu bale South Africa ukuthi abanazo izikili ezanele zokuthi bangasebenza le misebenzi esebenzwa abantu bangaphandle. Ubhuti uyakhala la ukuthi hayi kunezinhlelo esuke zikhona ezenziwayo uhulumeni ukuthi kube nama-internship, kube nama-apprenticeship, kube lokho nalokwa ukuze umuntu akwazi ukuthi awe-integrate-ke kwi-working system. Uthi yena-ke ubhuti uJulius Malema yena wenzani njengosopolitiki ngoba feka ngabe nawe uyaphusha ukuthi abantwana abaqeda ema-university nakuma-TVET college bathole ama-skills afanele ukuze bangene ku-working industry kunokuthi abhize ebagxeka acela phasi isithunzi sabo sokuthi abanazo i-skill esifanelekile sokuthi benze imisebenzi. Ngicela ubeke kwakho umbono omlayo ukuthi uthini, sizohlala kwezayo. Bye bye.